Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a super delicious, really easy cake recipe that's good any time of the year. It's a lemon pie filling cake, and what's fun about this recipe is that you can make it, it's pretty versatile, so you can make it any flavor that you want. You could do like how we're doing it today, a lemon cake mix, lemon pie filling, and lemon frosting. You could do a lemon cake mix and raspberry pie filling and vanilla frosting. You could do a chocolate cake mix, strawberry pie filling, and chocolate frosting. However you want to make it, however you want the flavor to be, you can do it as long as you just follow the basic idea of this recipe. So the first thing you're going to do is mix up your cake mix however the package says to do it. So we're just doing this Duncan Hines lemon cake mix. So we're just going to add the eggs, the water, and the oil, and then mix it up. Once you have your batter all mixed up, you're just going to spray your 9x13 pan and then pour your batter into your pan just like you normally would when you're making a box cake. Next, you are going to add your pie filling. So like I said before, we're doing the lemon pie filling, and all you want to do is just drop it in the pan in spoonfuls, and I did use the whole can of pie filling. And then once you have all your pie filling in the pan, you're just going to take a knife and swirl the pie filling through the batter, and then bake your pie, or not your pie, bake your cake per whatever your box says. So I think ours was like 23 to 26 minutes, and I baked it for 26 minutes. Now you're going to make your frosting. Once your cake is completely cooled off, you will make your frosting. We use the lemon rich and creamy Betty Crocker can frosting. So put that in your bowl, and then you're going to add a regular size container of Cool Whip, and you're just going to fold those two together, and then on a completely cooled cake you are going to frost it just like you would any other cake. Ideally, you do want to chill the cake before you serve it, just so your frosting is set up really nice and cold, but I didn't chill it before we had it. We had it for dessert after supper, and it was totally fine. But you do want to store the cake in the fridge because the frosting does have the Cool Whip in it. So I hope you guys like this recipe. I hope you try it and maybe experiment with some different flavors. It's one of our favorite cakes. My mom is actually the one who introduced us to this recipe, and everybody loves it whenever she makes it. So thanks for watching. Bye.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, sweetheart.